My name's Mark, and my wife Sam and I first started fostering when our son Matty was 6. At the time, I was working in a school as a classroom assistant, and I met a young lad who needed my support. Of course, there's only so much support you can give in school, but I knew if I was to become a foster carer, I could give them the support in my home with my family. That was about 5 years ago now, and since then we've always had great support from Monmouthshire Local Authority fostering team. It's why we're still fostering with them after all these years. They make you feel part of a team. Ellie and Emma came to us just after we were approved. They're 15 and 13 now. Monmouthshire asked us if we could care for them both. We thought about how they would feel if they were separated. We couldn't bear the thought of doing that. Home hadn't been a safe place for Ellie and Emma. They didn't have anyone else in their family who could care for them. We were told about how they used to stay out all day, whatever the weather, and it took time for them to feel safe and secure with us. Ellie had been like a mum to her little sister. She didn't have any hobbies. She couldn't be like any other teenage girl. She had to do the shopping and take on a lot of caring responsibilities. I remember their faces when they first arrived, but just giving them a home wasn't going to make everything better. They needed someone to take an interest in them, someone to listen. You can't parent them in the same way as you parent your own children because your children haven't been through the trauma they've been through. We've had some difficult times, but the good days outweigh the bad. Now they're involved in sports, music, and their confidence is building every day. Looking back, I'm so proud of what they've achieved. I'm not sure they would have achieved or progressed half as much if they'd been separated. They're a team. We're a team too.